Hello everybody, welcome to today's video from Acorn and Oak, and today we're going to do the breadboards that I got from Fluffy Dragon. That is a charity that, well, not a charity, it helps the charity, the UK Pancreatic Cancer charity. And it's done by Donna Clerk and James from Little Spaceman Paper Crafts. So I'm just going to create and let you watch. So this would be video number 2. I'll link video number 1 explaining better and more eloquently than I am today, because today is a fibro foggy day. You know what, crofters, I didn't want this one to be painted. I wanted to use some. Oh, I like this. Oh, I like that. It's like a whitewash. Oh. Okay, I think I may leave that as it is. But the back I think I'll do the back with what I wanted to do. I like that. Okay, I need some grey paint, so I'm going to mix my white and black gessos together, and hopefully that will give me, so I'm just going to combine them together and hopefully I get the shade that I want. I'm not going to add a great deal of black just yet, because I want a fairly light grey. I do like that grey, that's quite nice. Let me add a touch more white. Oh yeah, that's better. I'm going to paint this all in grey, and then I'm going to distress it using the white gesso. Okay, now using a fresh and clean baby wipe, I'm going to take some of the grey off. that distressed look. As well as going over it with a nail file to scratch it up and to give it that distressed look. Wipe it off and wipe it away. Okay, using a ruler and a pencil, I'm going to give it a faux kind of shiplap look. I'm going to use my ruler as a guide. I'm going to use my pencil on, I'm going to press hard, and I'm going to go down. Using the previous line as my start point. Okay, and then with a damp finger or a baby wipe, I am going to go over those lines to soften them up and to blend them. Okay, and then it comes to the decals. So I'm just going to brayer it. There we go, that's one done. I really like that grey. I think I might add, because my decal is yellow. I'm just wondering, because I have a lot of yellow in my kitchen on top of my cabinets, and I wanted, that's kind of the all year kind of decor theme. Lots of spring blossom and tulips and lemons and that type of thing. Lots of yellow, green, grey. I'm just wondering if the yellow is going to look a bit odd against this. Oh no, I quite like that. Okay. I wanted a more kind of rustic, oldie worldy theme for my one. Okay. I like the vibrant yellow against this dark background. Okay, there we go, crafters. Both of them are now done, and I'm very happy with them. Thank you very much for joining me. If you're at all interested in supporting Donna and her fundraising for the cancer research for pancreatic cancer, as I was saying before the battery died, if you want to head over to Donna's page on Facebook, please support her if you're able. It's a lovely cause, and I'll see you again soon. Take care now. Bye bye.